Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. Today we have one easy question from CAT 93 paper. Let x is less than 0.5 and y is between 0 and 1 and z is given as 1. So given a set of numbers, the middle number when they are arranged in ascending order is called the median. So the median of the numbers x, y and z would be what? Okay, so it is given that when we have three numbers, let's say a, b and c arranged in ascending order. Okay, so if this is how these three numbers are arranged, then the middle number is called the median of a, b, c. So B is median. Okay. So now we need to find out for x, y and z what is the median, and we have the range given. Okay. So if you see z is always greater than 1, okay. So it has no conflict with other two numbers, but if you see x and y, they overlap. So x is less than 0.5 and y can also be less than 0.5. Okay, so x and y can overlap and z is very clear, it's always greater than 1. Okay, so based on the values of x and y, we can have two conditions. Okay, the first condition is x can be greater than y. Okay, so when x can be greater than y, so let's say x is 0.4 and y is 0.3 or something. Okay, both of these are lying in their given range. So in this case x can be greater than y, and there could be one more condition, another condition in which x can be less than y. Okay, so here if you see x is 0.5 or 0.4, let's say y, the maximum value of y is 1. So if y is, let's say, 0.7 or 0.8 whatever, then y is greater than x. So from these two, assuming the value of the range of x and y, these two conditions are possible. Okay, 1 and 2. Now z is always greater than x and y both. So now if this is the case, if x is greater than y, then here we see the smallest number is y. So we have y less than x less than z, right? This will be the order if first condition is true, and if second condition is true, then x will be the smallest one, x, y and then z always, because z is greater than x and y both. So according to the definition given in the question, if three numbers are arranged in ascending order, then the middle term is the median one. Now here if you see, we have arranged these three numbers in ascending order. So now in this case x will be the median and in this case y will be the median. Okay, so if x is the median, then value of x is less than 0.5. okay, and if y is the median, then value of y can be between 0 and 1. Okay, so 0 to 1, let's say. Okay, so now if we see the options, we have four options. Okay, so first option says that the median is less than 1. So is median less than 1? Yes, true, but median is always less than 1. But if you see less than 1 means this option 1 also indicates like -1, -2, negative value will also be considered here. Okay, -3, -4 like that, because they all are less than -1. But here it's not possible, because if second condition is true, then the median will be between 0 to 1 only. So first option is not correct. Second option is between 0 to 1, right? So that is true, either be the case, it's always 0 to 1. Okay, so one more thing here, if y is the median, then it will always be 0 to 1. But if x is the median, still the value will not go negative, though the range of x is given at 0.5, but here x is greater than y and lowest value of y is 0. Okay, so here in this case, if x is median, then the value will be between 0 to 0.5. So I hope this is clear. This is important to note. Okay, because x is greater than y and minimum value of y can be 0, so x can be 0 to 0.5 if this is the case. Okay, so less than 1 is not possible. 0 to 1 is possible. Yeah, for both of the cases the value is always lying between 0 to 1. Third option is, can it be greater than 1? No, because in either case we don't see that. And the fourth option is, cannot say. So we can determine that it's between 0 to 1. So even fourth option is not correct. Hence the second option is the correct one. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.